Question: if a comma b comma c belongs to R plus, that is positive real numbers, such that a plus b plus c is equals to 18, then find the maximum value of a square b cube c power 4. So this is the question. Solution: so here in question, here a, b, c, these three quantities are positive real numbers is given, and sum of the quantities is 18, constant is given, and the question is of maximum. So in any question, if the given quantities are positive and if the question is being asked to find the maximum or minimum values, then you think of arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean first. This is the first point. Next, second point is, suppose you take any two numbers, that is two positive real numbers a comma b. If you apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean for these two quantities, arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2 and geometric mean is ab. So here in a question, if sum of two given quantities is given, that is constant, then we can find the maximum value of the product. Or if product is given, that is product is given as constant, you can find the minimum value of the sum. So here in question, if three quantities are given and sum is given, that is constant, sum is constant, the question is being asked to find the maximum value. See, if sum is constant, we can find the maximum value of the product. So question is of about maximum only. Now here in question, a plus b plus c is equal to 18 is given. Here how many a's are there in question? A, 2 a's and 3 b's and 4 c's are there. So this a can be written as, here 2 a's are there, that's why you generate 2 a's, that is you can write a as a by 2 plus a by 2. Similarly b can be written as 3 b's are there, that's why you write this thing as b by 3 plus b by 3. Now similarly c, 4 c's are there, that's why you write this thing c as c by 4 plus c by 4 plus c by 4 plus c by 4. Since a, b, c are positive quantities, a by 2, b by 2, c by 4, a by 2, b by 3, c by 4 also positive quantities. Now apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean for these 9 quantities, that is a by 2, b by 3, b by 3, c by 4, c by 4, c by 4, c by 4. Now what is arithmetic mean? That is a by 2 2 times, b by 3 3 times, b by 3, c by 4 4 times. So this is arithmetic, this is arithmetic by how many quantities? 9 total, or 9 is greater than or equals to product, that is a by 2 into a by 2 into b by 3, b by 3, b by 3, b by 3 times, c by 4 4 times, c by 4 into c by 4 into c by 4 into c by 4 power 1 by 9. So this is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So here a by 2 plus a by 2 is a, because we have written a as a by 2 plus a by 2. Therefore again a by 2 plus a by 2 is a, b by 3 times b, c by 4 4 times, that is c, over 9 is greater than or equals to, here this is a cube, sorry, a square, here a square, b cube c power 4 over 2 square 3 cube 4 power 4 power 1 by 9. But in question it is given that a plus b plus c is equals to what? 18. So you put here a plus b plus c value, that is, this is given in question, it is given, therefore this is 18 by 9 is greater than or equals to a square b cube c power 4 over 2 square, this is 3 cube, this can be written as 2 power 8, 4 power 4 can be written as 2 power 8 whole power 1 by 9. Now our requirement is what? The maximum value of what? A square b cube c power 4 only in question. A square b cube c power 4. So a square b cube c power 4 is generated. To generate this required thing, that is a square b cube c power 4, we have written a as a by 2 plus a by 2, b as b by 3 plus b by 3, c as c by 4 plus c by 4 plus c by 4 plus c by 4. Now you take out this 1 by 9, and now first 9 2 times, next take out 1 by 9 this side, that is 2 power 9 is greater than or equals to a square b cube c power 4 over 2 power 10, this is, into 3 power 3. Now you take out this 2 power 10, 3 power 3, this left hand side, then what you get? 2 power 19 into 3 power 3 is greater than or equals to a square b cube c power 4. This implies a square b cube c power 4 is less than or equals to 2 power 19 into 3 power 3. So the maximum value of, therefore the maximum value of a square b cube c power 4 is 2 power 19 into 3 power 3. This is your answer. So this is your answer.